All right, I'm gonna do a quick review on the c.quartz from Carpro. It's a ceramic coating product. Did a lot of research on AutoGeek of why, when, if I should do it. Decided to pull the trigger on this. Came with the reload package, the Iron X, which I didn't use because the car is brand new. And got the whole package for $80 shipped. They had a sale. It was $100 for the package, and then an extra 20% off free shipping. So I did it on, this is a 2019 Infiniti QX60. It's my wife's car, and it came out absolutely amazing. I didn't do any I did prep work. I clay barred the car, did the IPA cleaning, and then I put 2 coats of the ceramic product on there, let that sit for about 2 hours, then did 1 coat of reload, and then it's been sitting in the garage for 48 hours, and then I just did another coat of the reload. So as you can tell, hopefully the camera is getting it all, but it is glass. It's amazing the shine that it puts on the car. So obviously the car is brand new, has less than 500 miles on it, so there wasn't really any paint corrections, so to speak of. So that's why it was a little easier. Still took me about, I would say, 6 hours total between the clay bar, wiping it down with the IPA, which is isopropyl alcohol and water 50-50, and making sure all the oils are off of it. And then I did the 2 coats of ceramic coating. So obviously it's in the garage, so the shine is a little different than what it would be in the sunlight, but I will pull it out and do another video walk around. But I mean, I'm lost for words as far as the shine. It's something I've never seen before on a car, so that's why I'm doing a little review. It's pretty easy to put on. It does flash pretty quickly, and it is a semi-permanent coating. What I'll show you is how you can mess up. So right here, I don't know if you can see that, is what they call high spot. So basically I put the ceramic coating on the car. There it is. Put it on the car, and I didn't wipe it off fast enough, i.e. it flashed, got too hard, and you're not getting that off. I tried to buff it off. I read some things online that basically say you can take some rubbing compound and get it off, polish it, and then basically do another IPA wipe and do the ceramic coating process again, but that's the only one that I've noticed. So I'm okay with that. I think it came out awesome everywhere else. So I'm going to pull it out into the sunlight, and then you can get a good idea of what it looks like in the sun.